This mud flap here looks like it's pulled down. So I have to take that one bolt off, put it back up. And this one here is missing. Anything when it's missing, you want to see if it's bent down. It's not, it's straight. The bolts are still there, so I have to oil them up. That way they don't break. So I'll buy some mud flaps. I'll probably buy 2, use this for a backup. But this one's pretty well torn. We got the notches on it, so that way it doesn't bend. This bracket does look bent a little bit. Now it looks straight. They both got a little bit of a bend on it. But I'll go over to the TA and get this mud flap on. Buy those plastic ones. Alright, this is everything you need when it comes to mud flaps. You want to really have an impact wrench. This is really nice to have. Saves on time when you're on the road. You should get yourself an impact wrench. It's pretty strong. Only thing it doesn't do is take the lug nuts off, but it is pretty strong. Alright, it's all about spraying with WD-40 silicone on all the bolts. Take them off and install both of these. I got the ones without advertisements. That's nice. And reverse steps when it comes to putting all the bolts. It's 4 bolts on each end, so see how that works out. Alright, that's all done. Pretty simple. The wind's blowing it in a little bit, but it's not windy, it'll be straight down. But did both sides, got that done probably about 10 minutes at the most. 5 on each side. That impact wrench is really nice. Even sounds like an impact wrench. But other than that, I'm legal now. Now I get to go.